Just before we create the project, let us first examine the finished product and also the objective as well as the project requirements. So this will be the UI that we are going to create for this demo. We call that the controls demo. What we have on this form is two major containers. The first one is the options container, where the user can select whatever options he would like to use, like the combo box. If let's say the user selected from here the layer, then we will display the layer. If the user selected a line type, then we will display the line type. And if the user selected a text style, then we will display the text style here. So basically the same behavior as the combo box, but for this option, we are going to allow the user to enter the value instead of selecting. And another option for the user to choose from is the radio button, where we can provide the user with the three options that they can select from, which means that using this option they can only select one item. The same is true with the combo box. And the last option that we will be providing the user is the checkboxes, where the user has the opportunity to select either one, two, or all of these items here, and then depends on the selected items, all of these or some of these will be populated. And finally, we will provide the user with the button to basically start the process of gathering the data from either of these selected items and then displaying into the list boxes. And also we have here the clear all button, where we will let the user to clear all the items in this list box. So this is a very simple example. However, it is quite important. At least we will witness, or we will see how each of these controls behave and how they are being used in this project. So in the next video, we're going to create our project. I'll see you there.